Leia?
I think she's on the toilet.
Oh, okay.
Hi Josie, hi Helena.
Hi, Leia.
Hi, Leia.
Are you playing Minecraft?
Yes, we've already logged in.
Great.
Hey, Leia, don't play like that.
Leia, stop it.
Oh no, now I'm out.
Sorry, but I'm out too.
Why did you do that?
I don't want to play anymore. Whoa, what's happening? I feel afraid.
Josie, help, I need to log in.
Ouch. Where am I? Where's everyone? Leia? Josie?
Ouch. That was weird. Kind of cool, but weird. Where am I? Where are the others? Leia? Helena?
Ouch. Where am I? Wait a minute. This looks like...
Leia! There you are!
Helena, Leia, what happened?
I fell down from up there. My leg hurts.
Me too, but my arm hurts.
I'm just glad we're all okay.
What happened?
I don't know, but this looks like Minecraft.
Huh?
No kidding. Look up there. Those are hearts.
Why are there 3 sets?
One set for each of us. And look, over this side. It looks like an inventory. One each.
Wow, how cool is that?
Yeah, but how are we going to get out of here?
Well, we probably fell through a portal, so we just need to find another one to get back.
Do you mean an end portal? How are we going to do that?
I guess we just have to play the game. Find all the things we need to battle the Ender Dragon.
Oh no, that will take ages.
Yes, but we only play half an hour every second day. We are here full time now.
True. Okay, let's think. What do we need first?
Well, since we are here, I guess wood would be good. Then we can make a crafting table.
But we have no tool.
Yeah, but we can collect wood by hand.
Great, let's get some.
Hey, I've seen a village. Let's go and take a look around.
This is so cool. Oh look, a villager. Quick, let's see if he'll talk. No, just as stupid.
Come over here, I found a chest.
Oh look, some bread. I'm starving. Let's eat.
What else is in the chest?
A spade, a wooden sword, some tools, and a flint and steel. Wow, and hey, great, a pickaxe. That'll be handy for mining.
I think we should build a crafting table.
Good idea.
I'm sure we also need water. I'll go and look. Look, I found a bucket and a lake, so we've got water.
How are we going to carry all of this?
Easy, we've each got an inventory. I guess we just hold it over the icon. Let's try.
Okay, where to next?
We have pickaxes, so let's find a cave.
This looks good. I think we'll find diamonds here. I've got diamonds!
Me too! I think we've got enough to make 3 diamond swords.
I'll get the crafting table.
Wow, they look great.
Where to now?
The cave goes further through here. Let's see where it goes.
Hey look, lava!
Perfect. Quick, bring the water and we can make obsidian.
This is so much fun. I wouldn't mind never leaving.
I don't think you will like meeting the dragon.
Maybe you're right.
Very good. But first we need to get there. I say we build a partial with this obsidian, so we get to the nether.
Yes, let's build it here.
Should we jump through it?
We can't. We need a spar, remember?
We got flint and steel from the village.
Perfect. Throw it in.
Oh boy, it's so much hotter here than I thought.
Yeah, I'm sweating already.
Never mind that. We need to find some blazes to defeat, so we can get 6 blaze rods.
Look over there. I see a fortress. I'm sure we'll find some there.
Let's go.
Got you.
Got you.
Take that and that. Huh? How do you like that?
Take this.
And that.
Got you.
Okay, your turn.
Got you. Okay, we've got enough rock. Let's go.
Let's turn those rods into powder.
Here's the crafting table.
Alright, what do we need now?
Ender pearls. This time we need to battle endermans.
We should fight them in the web forest.
Okay, let's go. Whoa, that was hard.
I thought it was fun.
I'm worried about you, Josie. I think you're enjoying this a lot.
It's great. Can I go back and fight one more?
No! We have everything we need to make an Eye of Ender.
Here's the crafting table.
We've done it!
Look at them.
They are beautiful. I could look at them all day. Just kidding. Let's go out of here back the way we came to the overworld and find a stronghold.
How do we find a stronghold?
We take one of the eyes and throw it. We follow the direction it goes. When it hovers, it marks a spot where we need to dig.
Okay, throw it.
I think we may have found one.
Quick, let's dig.
Wow, I can't believe we're here.
There's the portal to the end. What do we do?
We put the ender pearls in these frames.
It looks like it has worked.
What will happen when we jump through it?
We should arrive at the end.
Hopefully, there we can find a portal back home.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa, this place looks creepy. I can barely see myself.
Yeah, it's so dark.
Okay, we need to find the obsidian pillars. We need to destroy the end crystals on top.
Why?
Well, to activate the end portal, we need to defeat the ender dragon. That's hard. But without the crystals, the end dragon can't respawn, which will give us a chance.
Okay, let's look around.
There they are, the towers.
Shall we climb up these towers?
No. A better idea is to shoot them with a bow and an arrow.
Great shooting.
Look out! There's the dragon!
Get your diamond swords ready, everyone. It's time to battle.
We did it.
I can't believe it.
I've never got this far in a game before.
Me neither.
Look at the portal. It's ready. Shall we jump through it?
Do you think it will take us home?
Well, there's only one way to find out. We did it!
We're here.
Leia's bedroom never looked so good.
Now, that's what I call an adventure.
How long have we been away?
Leia, Elena, Josie, are you still alive in there? You've been playing for over an hour. I bet you're all hungry. Take a break. Have something to eat. I've made some waffles.
Coming.
I can't believe we did that.
Yeah, I love the nether the best.
Really? I love the sword.
Do you think we should try to do that again?
No!